The Fanspex 600W hanging heater delivers quick, even warmth for coops, pet shelters, and small greenhouses using an efficient carbon fiber element. Two selectable heat levels let you choose between gentler 300-watt output or stronger 600-watt output, so you can match the heat to the season and the size of your enclosure. The metal housing and reflective aluminum panel feel solidly built and help push more heat downward, making better use of the power it draws. A protective metal cage surrounds the heating element, reducing the risk of curious animals touching hot surfaces while still allowing good airflow. Installation is straightforward because the unit arrives pre-assembled, and the included chain makes it simple to hang and fine-tune the height above your animals or plants. Its versatile design works well across a range of livestock and pets, from chickens and ducks to small barns and greenhouse corners that need targeted spot heat in winter.